12.3 fifth one. Find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining the points P4 2 minus 6 and Q 10 minus 16 6. So P and Q are the given points P4 2 minus 6 and 10 negative 16 6. So these are the points P and Q. We have to find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining P and Q. Trisect means divides PQ in the into three equal parts. The points which divide PQ PQ into three equal parts. So consider let A and B be the points of division. So these points A and B divide PQ into three equal parts. See, one PA, one equal part, AB and BQ. These are the three equal parts. So that is the meaning of trisect. So here A and B are the points which trisect PQ. So now we have to find the question is find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment. So here A and B are the points which trisect the line segment PQ. So we have to find the coordinates of A and B. So first we will consider A. So when we consider A, P 4, 2, negative 6 and Q 10, negative 16, 6. 10, negative 16, 6. So consider first A. So when we consider A, see PA equal to AB equal to BQ. So A divides, here there are three equal parts. So PA is one equal part and from AQ is two equal parts. So that means A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So this part is only 1. Here there are two parts. So one and they are equal parts. So A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So now we can find the coordinates of A. So coordinates of A. Coordinates of A equal to, first write x coordinate. So A divides PQ in the ratio 1:2. So 1 into this x coordinate, that is 10, plus 2 into this x coordinate, so 2 into 4, 8, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3, that is x coordinate. Now find y coordinate, 1 into negative 16 plus 2 into y coordinate, 4, 2 into 2, 4, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then z coordinate, 1 into 6, that is 6, plus then 2 into negative 6, negative 12, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. So these are the coordinates of the point A. So that is equal to 18 by 3, 6. Negative 16 plus 4, negative 12. Negative 12 by 3, negative 4. 6 minus 12, minus 6. Minus 6 by 3, minus 2. So 6 minus 4 minus 2 are the coordinates of the point A. Now we have to find the coordinates of the point B. So when we consider point B, that divides B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. Here there are two equal parts. Here there is only one part. So when we consider B, we can write so consider B. So B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. So B divides PQ in the ratio 2:1. So we can find the coordinates of B. Coordinates of point B. That is equal to, first consider x coordinate. 2 into 10, that is 20, plus 1 into 4, that is 4, divided by 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then y coordinate, 2 into negative 16, minus 32, plus, then 1 into 2, that is 2, divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Then z coordinate, 2 into 6, 12, plus 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6, by 2 plus 1, that is 3. So these are the coordinates, that is equal to 24 by 3, 8, minus 32 plus 2, minus 30 by 3, minus 10. 12 plus minus 6, 6 by 3, 2. So 10 minus 10, 2. So these are the coordinates of the points, which trisect the line segment joining the points P and Q. So these are the points 6 minus 4 minus 2 and 8 minus 10 2. These are the required points of trisection. Okay.